Hello, YouTubers.
Let's go have some fun.
I am at the trampoline place. It's called Airfx. I take the kids there to have some fun and also spend some energy because I figured if I keep them at the house, they'll basically eat me alive.
Don't wear shoes. Mom, let's go get pizza. Tell her to do
Bye.
How you doing?
Good. Of young people used to go to the mall here is so crappy, so they come to the trampoline place instead.
It's just so far away.
It's not that far away.
It's really not all that much further away than driving like downtown or something. Kashi, do you want chicken and fries or pizza?
pizza, pizza.
While we're driving home. Yeah, but I'd still get a good mess. Why do you make it black and blue? Put mushrooms in it and blue cheese.
My food was good. My food was pretty good. Black ice or is it different? Sheet of ice. Oh, this is dangerous.
It would if you were going fast. Because there would be literally no way
Way to stop. We just got back home, so the kids play and I think they're sleeping right now, which is great. And in any case, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, goodbye.